Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Nest Cam with Google Home detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your Nest Cam is correctly set up and powered on. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. Log in with the Google account that you want to use for your Nest Cam. Once logged in, tap on the plus icon located in the top left corner. Select Setup Device from the menu options that appear. Now, choose Works with Google. This will show you a list of devices that can be linked to Google Home. Scroll down or use the search bar to find Nest. Tap on Nest to initiate the linking process. You will be prompted to log in to your Nest account. Enter your Nest account credentials and tap Sign In. Once logged in, you will see a permissions screen. Review the permissions that Google needs to access your Nest Cam. If you agree, tap Allow to grant access. The linking process will now proceed. Wait for Google Home to connect to your Nest Cam. Once connected, you will receive a confirmation message. After the confirmation, tap Done to finalize the setup. Your Nest Cam is now authorized and linked to Google Home. You can now view and control your Nest Cam through the Google Home app. Enjoy managing your Nest Cam effortlessly with Google Home. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.